Hello everyone, I'm back! Today I'm gonna do dish soap experiment. If you wanna join me, come follow me. Oh, don't forget our friend Mama. All we have to prepare are water, pepper, food coloring, dish soap. First, coloring your water blue with some food coloring is an optional step, but sometimes makes it easier to see the experiment in action.
Momo, your hands are so dirty. You need to wash your hands. Okay.
In this part, sprinkle some pepper onto the surface of the water. Yucky! Look at this! Ew, I washed my hands and the water became dirty and there are many germs in the water. Okay, let's use the dish soap. Put the dish soap on my hands. Wow! The germs move away when you use soap. This is why washing our hands is so important. I'm so happy that my hands are so clean and they smell so nice. Yahoo! Enjoy my video? Like video, wash your hands is very important. So, wash your hands and keep them clean every day. Okay? Okay, sounds great. Then I'm gonna see you soon with another video. Okay? Bye bye. Stay safe and healthy.